All right, it's Thursday, the 6th of August today, and we are solving multiplication problems using arrays. Do you remember what arrays are? Did you get to find any arrays yesterday? Hopefully. To be successful, I can skip count to get my answer. So I can count the same number over and over. I know that rows go across or side to side, and I know that columns go up and down. So remember this picture that I had yesterday. This really explains rows and columns. Rows go across. So there's our beach balls. We've got one row of beach balls and then two rows of beach balls. And columns go up and down. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 columns of beach balls. Let's work out this one. Can you use this array to answer the question? Well, you can visualize how many rows there are. Watch my mouse go over them. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows, 5 rows, 6 rows. And how many columns? 1, 2. 6 rows of 2. So what does that equal? Well, you can skip count by 2s if you can. Skip count by 2s to get the answer. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 is our answer. Or you can skip count by 6s. That would be awesome if you could. 6, 12. So there are 12 astronauts. 6 times 2 equals 12. Or 2 times 6 equals 12. 6 groups of 2 and 2 groups of 6 equal the same answer. I found some more around my house, some more arrays. This is an intercom. An intercom is, when we click on this button, I can talk into it and people from the other side of the house can hear what I'm saying. So this is a speaker. The speaker is an array. Have a look. We've got rows and columns. I drew on this one. Got 6 rows and 5 columns. There you go. There's 6 rows in yellow and 5 columns, which I've done in red. So if we count them all, and if you can skip count by 5s, that would be even better. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 6 groups of 5 equals 30. Here's another one. Toilet paper rolls. This is an array. We have 6 rows and 4 columns. So I've drawn on them. 6 rows and 4 columns. And when you count them all, it helps us to count them. If you can count by 4s, that would be amazing. Otherwise, just count them. You'll get 24. So that was another array. Your task today, complete the challenge task cards. If you click on this link here, it says here multiplication arrays. Take you to a page that looks like this. Let's read it. Show the multiplication equation to match the picture, then answer it. The first 2 have been done for you. The first 1 has been done for you. So let me change that. The first 1 has been done for you. Not even the first one, it's actually the second one, but this one's been done for you here. Don't forget that rows go across and columns go up and down. So let's look at the first one here, the one that's been done for us. How many potatoes are there? Well, we need to remember to write 2 groups of 2 because it's got 2 rows and there are 2 in each row. So 2 groups of 2. 2 groups of 2 equals 4. I'm going to talk through this one, so I will tell you the answer for this one, but you're going to need to write it in. So how many peppers are there? Well, I'm going to start by counting the rows. There is one. I'm going to put a circle around that one with my mouse like that. There's 1 row and there's 2 rows. How many are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in each row. So there are 2 groups of 7. And 2 groups of 7 equals, we can count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 2 groups of 7 equals 14. I ended up writing it in for you. Right, but there's still some more that you need to go and do. Right, so find those equal groups, and you can make them if you need to. Use your blocks to actually make the same thing. So then you can draw circles around it if you need to for the rows and the columns. There are some more here. Right, I want you to work through these ones and fill in the blanks.